Alright guys, fish on. Big fish. Big fish. Alright guys, we're finally loaded. It's like 4:30, almost 4:45, so it's gonna be dark, so I'll try to check in when I get the camp set up, but hopefully I can find a camping spot in the dark. Anyways, we're packed. All my camping gear. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna go. At least 2 days. I might just stay another day. Oh, I gotta show you. I got the trailer all redone. Yeah, I got all the bunks done. Brand new bunks all the way. Boards, everything, all the way back. We can go anywhere now. All right, guys. Phone's, he's ready. I know, you're so ready. This dog is tough, man, because let me tell you, after 12 hours on the water yesterday with Dave, I was pretty beat up this morning, but I feel pretty good now, you know. Yeah. Anyways, let's go fishing and camping. All right, guys, there is no bait. We cannot find bait, so we're gonna have to get real lucky with bait out there, cast netting. See if we can't find some mullet or something, huh? So yeah, that's where we're at. And looks like we may just be putting in it dark. Getting pretty lucky here. We're at Fort Pierce North Bridge. That's where we're going to be putting in today. Alright, catch you on the water. Yeah. Beautiful. Sure is pretty, guys. Isn't that pretty, Capone? Sure is. Even Capone's not going to miss this. He's going to get a front row seat too. Huh? Well, that's awesome. Even a dog knows. Alright guys, we're finally set up. Finally set up. Got a nice fire going. Nice. Capone's in bed. Hey, what's up, Capone? Anyways, yeah, all good, huh? The island's full, bunch of people, but the boat's good. I put a stick here to mark the tide. Tied off great, double tide. We're safe. Yeah. Alright, I guess that's about it. We'll catch you in the morning. Alright, peace, guys. Morning, guys. Yeah, we fell asleep about 3 o'clock. It's now like, I don't know, 6:45. But I'm gonna be stuck here for a while. I was a little bit, it was so dark I couldn't see how close I was, but yeah, I missed it by about a foot. We're gonna have to wait. I missed the morning bite, I'm sure, but right now me and Capone's making breakfast. Get your, that's your fork. You got sand all over them. All right. We're cooking it up. Bacon and eggs, and yeah, life is good. These are my 4, those are your 4. Kids. We're off the shore. Wow, learn that lesson the hard way. All right, guys, catch you on the water. Hopefully we'll catch some fish, huh? Capone's starving. He stole all that bacon, man. He stole it all from me. Yeah, I went to mess with the boat. It was gone. I came back, it was gone. He was eating a package. Yeah, he's pretty disappointed in himself, as you can see. Yeah. All right. Later. Alright guys, what we're doing is catching little jacks, and hopefully the ocean's calm enough we can go out to the boils and play around with some sharks. So I'm just fishing along this island right here. We got 3 small jacks so far. I'm thinking maybe one more. Run out there, hopefully get on a nice spinner shark and have some fun. I know Capone's ready for some fun. Heck yeah. Here we go. Yeah. They are fun though, those little guys, huh? Oh, he's a little too big, but he's still fun. We just had fun with him. The hit's so crazy. Alright, hold on. I'll get you unhooked and get you back in the water. Yeah, I know. I feel the same way. I just try not to complain as much. Alright. Looking good, guys. Woo! Life is good. Fish on. Big fish. Big fish. All right. Big fish, guys. Woo! Wow. 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 Jack. He's playing with me. He's tightening up on him. Oh man. Wow, he ain't budging, huh? All right. Wow, what a fish. Wow. Wow. Wow, that's a strong fish. Wow. A big fish, Capone. Wow. Wow. There's some fish out here by the boils, in the boils, guys. Wow. He's like, hell no. I'm bigger than you. Wow. Wow. Wow, guys. Wow, he's like, yeah, that's a monster fish. That's a monster shark. I don't know, a shark would have cut me, right, guys? Wow, he's giving me a workout, guys. Wow. Wow, what a fish. Alright, this could go on for hours, so I'm gonna say battery. Hopefully we don't break off, guys, huh? You know something? I think I'm gonna chase him. Get this pole. Wow, he's big. Now I'm gonna go see if I can't make some ground on him, because he's got me pretty good. Oh shit, he's a monster. This is a monster, guys. Ain't no pulling this guy up from the death, that's for sure. Wow, guys. Wow, that's a strong fish. Alright, I'm gonna shut you guys off, turn you back on in a minute. Alright, we're all set now. We lost a lot of footage, guys. Battery issues, and I kept fishing, man. Yeah. There goes a wrench. It's hot out here, so. I got 2 batteries charging. It's so hot. I think the heat goes through the batteries, but I hooked something nice on the gotcha, but yeah, he broke off. We're in 39 foot of water, lots of fish. Spinner sharks are jumping. Yeah, man, I'm having a blast in Capone. Alright, there goes the damn wrench again. What's up? Hey guys, we're gonna throw the last jack on here. You know, I'm using a 100-pound leader, but I really need steel. I need something more out here. That shouldn't take long. I'm surprised I was able to fight that fish for over an hour, man. You know, I'm kind of doubting it was a shark. He would have cut me off. But I guess you never know. Fish on. Not as big as that last one, so we might be able to even get to see him, but I won't count on it. Feels like a shark, definitely, huh? I do love them jacks. I might be able to bull him in. Or he's just playing with me. He may not even know he's hooked yet. I'm gonna find out though. He's a big boy. Not as big as that last one. What a fun place. Yeah, he's coming. We're gonna see this one, boys. Stay back, come on. Really? Whoa. He's like, oh, wait a minute. Uh-oh. He's like, wait a minute. That don't feel right. We had him. We were gaining on him too. Well, he's turning the whole boat. Here we go, guys. Coming up, no? Wow. That drag is tight too. Wow. Oh, broke. That's it. That was fun. That was a blast. Capone needs we gotta go for a swim. It's wicked hot, guys. Alright, we'll catch you in shore. Alright guys, we just came in off the ocean. We're just taking a break on the island. A lot of boats out there, but I'm sure it's pretty. Cheers. Cheers. Let's check it out. The water's real pretty. Yeah, that's the jetty. That's where we just came in from. Wicked nice. A lot of boats up. Mad dog. Who the mad dog? Oh no! Oh! Alright guys, we're back on the island. Yeah, we did a lot of fishing hard. Get out of there, I haven't even started cooking yet. You had your supper. Wow. Anyways, yeah, this island's rocking. But yeah, the place is being used and that's cool. But I gotta get these burgers cooked and yeah, I stopped at a little gym. So if you haven't gone there, you know, you can pull your boat right up to it. The place is awesome. All right, guys, blah, blah, blah. I gotta light a fire, cook these. Capone's waiting patiently. He's already had his can of dog food, but yeah, he's a grown boy, huh? You a good boy today, huh? Did you go in a little gym, huh? You make friends, huh? You got daddy a couple free bears? Yeah, working them eyes, huh? Alright guys, love you, peace. Oh, man, these are sausage burgers. Oh, you know that's smelling good. Oh yeah, hot sausage burgers. Capone's waiting patiently, huh Capone? Huh, Capone? Capone. He's so stubborn, like he doesn't even know his name, right? Capone. 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 Yeah. Good morning, guys. Tide's come up about 2 feet since we woke up. Just cooked breakfast for me and Capone. He's waiting patiently, so I gotta keep an eye on him. Anyways, yeah, you know, it's nice to be away from the crowd over there because we're pretty private over here, you know, and it's a good little site. You know, got a little grill there. You know, a lot of broken bottles. I already picked up a lot of trash. I'm filling up my cooler in the boat, my sea cooler, with all the trash. I got a few more bottles to pick up, but yeah, man, it's a shame they just bust the bottles on the fire. It's just crazy, man. That's crazy. People gotta walk in this stuff, you know. Look at it. Got a few more bottles to pick up, but this broken stuff, I mean, who does that? Like to slap him, huh? Anyways, he's gonna steal the last 4 bacon. Look at him shaking. He's so cold. You alright, buddy? You okay? Huh? Gotta get moving. You can't just sit around in a chair all day. One for you. Oh, that'll get you moving, huh? One for me. I get one, right? Yeah, we picked up. We got it all packed up. I left the camp. I picked up all them bottles and the broken top bottles. Yeah, the place is cleaner than it was when I got here. I took a load of trash out. We're gonna call it. It's really windy today, but you know, I gotta look out for him too. Gotta get him home. I was gonna stay another day, but yeah, he can't tell me how he's feeling, you know. And I'm sure he's tired. He's been drinking plenty of water and eating good though, so that's a plus. You want to go home? Yeah? Yeah, you know, because he'll hang tough with me through, you know, till he passes out or dies or something, you know. So I gotta look out for the pup. All right, guys, blah blah blah. Love you, and we'll catch you on the next video. Peace out.